So we learn to be grateful for what we have and what we have become. Grateful for what we have and for what we have become. You know, people say, "Are you grateful that you're older?" And I say, "Well, considering the alternative, very good indeed." Yeah, Maurice Chevalier. Gratitude for what one has and what you have become. What we've learned is a result of all the effort we put in. We've traveled all those miles through life to become what we are at this moment. So we're the product of the past. So we can build upon the past, and we're also attracted by the future. So here we are in no man's land between the past, which is over, and the future, which isn't here yet. Don't you see? You live in a complete vacuum. The past is over. The future isn't here yet. So the only place you can exist is in this present moment. So the only thing you have to worry about is this present moment. This present moment. Detached versus craving. Means if it happens, it's terrific, and if it doesn't, it's okay. The capacity to become detached is a learned technique. Everybody should practice becoming detached from something you think you just have to be happy. Pick something arbitrarily and start becoming detached from it. You say, well, if I become detached from it, then I won't get it, will I? So the person wants to become detached and still be attached. That's a sneaky trick, and I won't let you get away with it. Detached means if it happens, great. And if it doesn't happen, fine. One way or the other, it's all the same. Why? Because that which I am in reality is not going to be affected one way or the other. I've either learned how to derive happiness from my own existence, or I haven't. And if I haven't learned how to derive happiness from my own existence, then what could possibly make me happier? If I can't be happy worth this much, how will I be happier if I'm worth twice as much? So gratitude for what one has and is, what you have become. Anybody sitting in this audience is obviously in a good place. They should be grateful for what they have become. Because the searching after truth in all of its expressions is one of the most advanced states of consciousness there is. To seek truth for its own sake, and to go wherever one has to go to learn truth is therefore a great goal.